Rui, how are you? Good. Taisei, how are you? Taisei, last week, sick. 2 weeks absent. Sick. Taisei. 2 weeks absent. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. No more, okay? No more absent. Daisuke, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice jumper.
Thank you.
Honoka,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Kana, how are you? Good. You're fine. Yuya disappeared. Mai, how are you? Mai, last week absent. We missed you. Are you okay? Sick?
No.
You sleeping?
I'm sleeping.
Okay. Yuki Nishiyama, how are you? Sei, how are you? Haruna, how are you? Ryoko, how are you? Good. Yuki Asawa, how are you? Good. Ayaka, how are you? Rina, no Rina? Rina coming soon? Not coming? Okay. Kota, no Kota. Okay. Okay. Today, you can please listen. Today, Carson Sensei is going to video me. Okay? She's just videoing the class, not videoing you. Okay, so don't worry. Just be normal. But not bad. Okay. So first, we're going to do a little conversation. Okay? Just to wake up, just some speaking first. Okay, so I'm gonna ask one question. What are you going to do at the weekend? One question, 5 answers. Okay. Going to with verb. I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat ramen. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to study English or whatever. 5 things. Okay. One question, 5 answers. So please listen and remember your number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Okay. So please stand up. We're going to stand in the middle like 2 lines. Okay. Number 1 here and number 9 down that way. You can come through here if you want to. Please come in. Come around. Maybe move down a bit more. Please move this way a bit more. Can you see your friend? One friend opposite? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm standing here. Please ask your friend one question, 5 answers, no Japanese. Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Tomorrow I'm going to Kochi because I have to do my work. I'm doing some speaking exams in Kochi University. Then I'm not sure, maybe I'm going to come back and eat sushi. On Sunday I'm going to study and maybe I'm going to watch a movie. What are you going to do? What's your part-time job? Where is your part-time job? Yamaha. Are you teaching music? Just staff. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, thank you. Okay, everybody finished? Speaking English only? Okay. Good. Okay, I'm going to go to the other end. Everybody please move this way. Thank you very much. Please move this way. We have new friends. Yes. So remember, no Japanese. And so please do 5 answers, but make your answers longer. Okay? So for example, I'm going to eat ramen. Make it longer. I'm going to eat ramen on Friday evening with my friend. Make it longer. Okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Do you want to ask me? Tomorrow, I'm going to go to Kochi because I have to do some English exams. After that, maybe I'm going to eat sushi. On Sunday, study, watch a movie, and go to Maryland. What are you going to do at the weekend?
Go to dinner. And go shopping. I'm paying I'm going there. Study English.
What are you going to study? What English?
And I have to be Chinese.
TOEIC? Or this class? TOEIC. Okay, thank you very much. Yoshino, please come here. Everybody finished? Any problems? Any words that you want to say but you can't say? Nothing? Really? Okay, let's move this way. Everybody move this way. Please find your new friend one more time. This is the last time. So very beautiful English long sentences, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Tomorrow I'm going to go to Kochi because I have to do some English exams at Kochi University. It's my job. After that, maybe I'm going to eat sushi because it's my favorite. On Sunday, maybe I'm going to study, watch a movie, and go shopping. what are you going to do at the weekend?
I'm going to study Chinese. I'm going to
Make cooking. Oh, cooking. Ah, okay. Oh, good. What homework? English homework? Writing? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so thank you. So we're gonna sit down together with your new friend, but you can have 3 people together. Okay? So please sit down together with your partner, right? Okay. Who are you with? Your partner. You. Say. Sit here. Who's that? Where are you sitting? Yeah. It's okay. Right. Next thing, we're going to do some pronunciation a little bit, just 5 minutes. Remember before we did la 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 red lorry, yellow lorry, and we did sh. We did she sells seashells on the seashore. And last, what was it, 2 weeks ago? Last lesson? 1 week ago. Last lesson we did b and v, right? Okay, we've got one more. One more difficult sound, okay? So please copy, do you have paper and pen or notebook? Please copy. So when I listened to your speaking, when you recorded the speaking, I listened to your speaking and I noticed this is a difficult sound, okay? So a lot of people, when they want to say like 3, this sound, a lot of people, they say this sound instead. Okay, we're going to practice these 2 sounds. And okay, so when we do TH sound like 3, we need to put the tongue between our teeth like this. That's your tongue between your teeth. So I think this is why it's a little bit difficult. People are a little bit shy to do this. So please try today. Okay, everybody, please try. Put your tongue out like this and breathe out. Mina, are you doing it? I don't know. Okay? Please try. This is like three. Okay? And S sound is easy. We just do a big smile. Please copy, by the way, please copy the pictures. S, S sound, we do a big smile, and teeth are a little bit apart, and breathe out. S, s. Please try a big smile and s, s. S. Okay? Oh, sorry about my picture, terrible picture. Okay, so I'm going to write some words here for TH sound, and some words here for S sound, so we can practice. Please copy. Did you copy the picture of the mouth too? Please copy my beautiful pictures. But maybe you can do it better. Sorry, I forgot. This one we need to breathe out too. The air is going out, right? Please draw air going out. Okay, ready? So everybody together, please try this sound. Don't be shy. Please put your tongue out like this. If you're not sure, then you can use finger. If you put your finger here, then you can feel if your tongue is out. You can feel your tongue on finger. Please try. You can't do it. Okay, let's try these words then. Everybody together, please say thin, thick. Don't forget this one, yeah? Thin, thick, think, thought, bath, path. Okay, this one, big smile for S sound. Sin, sick, sink, sort, bass, pass. Easy? Okay, let's go across this way. This one should be quite easy. This one may be difficult. Let's go this way. Please remember mouth shape. Thin, Sin. Thick. Sick. Think. Sink. Thought. Sort. Bath. Bass. Path. Pass. Good. Okay, next. Please show me your fingers. 1 or 2. Listen and tell me 1 or 2. Okay? I'm going to cover my mouth so you can't see my mouth. Are you ready? Sin. 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 2. Go. Thick. 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 1. Think. 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 Sort. 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 Is 2. Yeah. Bath. 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 1. Pass. 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 2. Okay. Please do the same. 2 people together. 1 person speak and 1 person listen and do the fingers. Also cover your mouth. Who's got 3 people together? Okay, I'll talk to one of you. Yoshino. Okay. Okay, please start. Okay, please cover your mouth. And speak.
Think.
1.
Think.
1. Oh, okay, again. 2. Okay. One. Okay. Is it difficult? TH? Yeah, you have to put your tongue out. Keep practicing, it will be easier. Okay, one more. One more time. 1. Keep practicing. What do you think? Easy, difficult? TH sound? Difficult. Can you hear easily? Speaking is quite difficult. Okay. The difficult thing is this sound, I guess. So please don't be shy. You have to do this. It feels strange. Like, if you practice, it will be easier. Okay? Please practice. Okay, I've got a tongue twister for you for TH sound, like namamugi, namagomi, namatamago, but TH. Okay? Please copy. coffee. You need to draw the tongue. Good. Okay, let's try cutting. We'll cut into pieces. First of all, let's try this word. Everybody together, and we need to do this one again, right? Everybody again, please try. Okay, let's try this word. Thought. Thought. No S, no S. Only please try. Thought. Thought. Okay, let's try this first part. I thought a thought. I thought a thought. Not bad. One person is using S, I think. No S, no S. Okay, I thought a thought. But the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought I thought. Okay, let's try one time the whole thing together. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought I thought. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, please practice together. Practice with your friend. 2 minutes. Keep practicing. Did I say your name on the list? I forgot your name. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so please practice this at home, practice on your bicycle, practice when you're doing your part-time job, practice in the shower, practice in the elevator, okay? Practice when you're sleeping. And if you practice, your muscles will get stronger and it will be easier, okay? Did you print China book? We're going to start to study about China. Please get China book. Everybody has it? No book, no book? Oh, good, good. Oh, what a Yutosei class. Fantastic. So before we start to study about China, please listen, Karin, please listen 1 minute. Before we start to study about China, let's see what you know already, okay? 2 minutes, please answer these questions. If you don't know, just write, I don't know. Okay? If you don't know, you can just like, I don't know. It's okay. Okay, one more minute. If you don't know, just write I don't know. Thirteen kanji people. Okay. Do you have a book? No? Okay, working together. Great. Next week? Did you get an email? Yeah. No book? Next week? Did you get the email? Yeah? Please print. So working together, yeah? Okay, let's check together. How about Tomoka? Oh, sorry, wrong page. Question number 1. Where is China? In East Asia. Nice. Okay. Maybe, yeah, China's so big, so it's in a lot East Asia and other parts too, maybe. What countries are next to China? Let's ask Yuki. Yasawa. Russia. Only. Mongolia. Finished. Okay, anybody else? Russia, Mongolia? Ina? No, no? Okay, no problem. Okay, we're gonna see in a minute. We can check in a minute, okay? A lot of countries. How many people live in China? My? 10 billion with a B. 10 billion. I think it's less. We're gonna check in a minute. I'll give you the answer in a minute, okay? But good word, billion, good. What languages do they speak in China? Kana? Chinese? Only one?
English.
Chinese. One kind of Chinese? Okay, we're gonna check in a minute, but there's two kinds of Chinese. Okay? And some small languages too. Good, thank you very much. What food do people eat in China? How about Honoka? Rice. Okay. Anything else? Rice and? Chinese food. Rice and Chinese food. Good. For example, say, do you know any Chinese food? What? Do you know any Chinese food? Yes. Yes. I don't know in English, but this one is Japanese, famous Chinese food in Japan, right? Good. Any more, Karin? Gyoza. Anything else? What's that? Please explain. White?
White, yes, and round shape.
Yeah.
And
What's inside?
meat.
Meat inside.
Meat inside or pizza and uncle.
Pizza, yeah, maybe that's only in Japan, I guess. Maybe. Okay, like we call it dumpling or something, right? Steam dumpling with meat inside. Yeah? Good. Okay, one more question. What is the capital city of China, Yuki? This Yuki. Sleeping Yuki.
Hong Kong.
Anybody else? Hong Kong is one of the biggest cities. Taisei, do you know? Peking, yeah, in English we say Beijing, but same. Peking, Beijing. Good, okay, thank you very much. Next, we're going to look at page 3. Please look at page 3 with the pictures. Please look at page 3. If you don't have the book, then you need to write in notebook. Who doesn't have the book? Please write, yeah, okay, write on the notebook, okay? So I'm going to tell you 6 sentences about China. Please listen and write. Are you ready? Number 1. Number 1. China has the largest population in the world, with almost 1.4 billion people. China has the largest population in the world, with almost 1.4 billion people. Say, are you okay? Page 3. No, this one, yeah. China has the largest population in the world, with almost 1.4 billion people. Number 2. China has a lot of different kinds of food. China has a lot of different kinds of food. Number 3. Mandarin and Cantonese are the most popular languages. Mandarin and Cantonese are the most popular languages. Mandarin and Cantonese are the most popular languages. Beijing. Oh, sorry, number 4. Number 4. Beijing is the capital city. Beijing is the capital city. Beijing is the capital city. Number 5. China has borders with 16 other countries. China has borders with 16 other countries. China has borders with 16 other countries. And number 6, the Chinese money is called yuan. The Chinese money is called yuan. The Chinese money is called yuan. Okay, please check with your friend. Please help each other. Check spelling together. Say okay. Is it easy or difficult? So when you have Chinese, you need to put big C, capital C, Chinese. Okay, I'm going to put the answers on the board. You can check, okay? Please. Please check spelling, check everything, especially capital letter. Mandarin, Cantonese, please check. Okay, no problem. If you finish checking, please look at the pictures. We've got 6 sentences and 6 pictures. Please match. Please match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yuan, Y-U-A-N.
How do you spell yuan? Y-U-A-N. Finished? Okay, let's check together. How about this picture? Let's ask Tomoya.
Yes, China has borders with 16 other countries.
Great. Yeah, lots and lots of countries, right? So big. Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia, North Korea. 16 countries. Okay, how about Daisuke? This one? Great. Mandarin and Cantonese. I think the writing is the same, but the speaking is different. But I don't really know. Taiwan also. The writing is the same, but the speaking is different. Okay? This one, let's ask Yoshino. Beijing is the capital city. Good. Very big city. In the middle, how about Tomoka? Chinese money. Yeah, beautiful money, right? Very colorful. They got traditional clothes and things. Very beautiful money. Good, thank you. How about this one over here? Let's ask Rui.
Yes, China has a lot of different kinds of food.
Right, China's got a lot of different kinds of food. Very, very big. So lots and lots of different kinds of food. And the top picture. How about Haruna?
Yes, China has the largest population in the world with around 1.4 billion
1.4 billion
people.
people. How many people in Japan? Do you know how many people in Japan? Anybody? Aruna? No. Anybody know how many people in Japan? About 127 million. Something like that, okay? So China is times what? Times 11? Maybe 11 times more than Japan. Something like that. I'm going to put question mark. I'm not sure. Maybe about 11 times more than Japan. Okay? Okay, any questions? Alright, next we're going to do some speaking. Please look at page 4 and page 5. We need 2 people together. Page 4 and page 5. So with 2 people together, you're going to speak and your friend will write. If you cannot hear or you don't know, you can say, how do you spell that? Or could you repeat that? Okay, everybody together, let's repeat. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Okay, so for this one, we're going to sit, we have to sit like this. Put the tables like this, okay? And we can have same friends, but please move the tables, okay? So maybe you can bring it out like this. Like this, okay? Everybody please move the tables and sit like this. Rui, I will talk to you, okay? Great. Show. Thanks. Okay, so make sure you're on a different page. Student A, student B, different page, yeah? Hello. What page are you on?
Yes, student.
Student A. Okay. So please tell me the first sentence. People. Number one.
The United States is much larger than China.
The United States is much larger than China. Thank you. Number two. Most Chinese people are Muslim.
Most Chinese people are
Muslim.
How do you spell that?
Capital M U S L I M. Okay, please tell me number three.
Northern China is usually
Northern China is usually hot.
yes.
Okay, thank you. Number four. There are loads of active volcanoes in China. Loads.
How do you spell
L O A D L O A D S of active volcanoes. V V O L C A N O E S in China.
No.
Okay, please tell me number five.
There are no earthquakes in China.
There are high.
There are no earthquakes in China. Thank you. Number six. Chinese people all eat the same food.
Chinese people all
The same food.
Chinese people.
Okay? Please tell me number seven.
giant pandas live in the east of China.
Giant pandas live in the east of China. Thank you. Number 8. China has the world's largest economy. China has the world's largest economy. World apostrophe S, world's largest economy. Okay. Thank you.
Happy.
1 minute, we'll check. Okay, if you finish, please check together. Check spelling, check everything the same or not. Okay.
United States is much larger than China.
No problem, I think. Okay. Great. Thank you very much. Then you can work together again, 3 people together. Okay. Did you check together? If you check together already, please look at true or false. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you think? True or false? Don't check. Don't check. Just guess. Okay? No, about science. Yeah, science. No problem. Okay, just put the circle. Put the circle, true or false. What do you think? Same. Everybody finished? Ready to check? Okay, let's check. Number 1, how about Ryoko? How about the United States is much larger than China? True or false? False? Because? What do you think? The United States is much larger. What do you think? Think same? Do you think China is bigger? China is bigger. Okay, but I'm not sure. We'll check in a minute. Okay. Number 2. What's number 2? Most Chinese people are Muslim. True or false? True or false? Let's ask Taisei. False. Because? Not Muslim? What? Christian? What do you think?
I think Buddhist.
You think Buddhist? Okay, we'll check in a minute. All right. Thank you very much. Number 3. Northern China is usually hot. Kana? True or false? False. Northern China is usually hot. False. You think Northern China is usually cold or medium? Medium. Okay. We'll check in a minute. Number 4. There are loads of active volcanoes in China. Yuki Osawa?
False.
False. No volcanoes?
True.
Oh, change your mind.
Yes.
Do you think it's true? There are loads of volcanoes, active volcanoes in China. Okay, we'll check in a minute. Number 5, there are no earthquakes in China. Mai? Number 5?
False.
False? Because? Do you think they have a lot of earthquakes? Or a little bit? Some places? Everywhere? Some places. Okay, we'll check in a minute. What's number 6? Chinese people all eat the same food. Karen?
False.
False? Why?
I think they eat 4 kinds of food.
4 kinds?
For example, sisen ryori.
Cheese and riori. What's that? Something cooking. Traditional food. Okay. We'll check in a minute, okay? Good, thank you very much. Number 7. Giant pandas live in the east of China. Giant pandas live in the east of China. Daisuke. True? East is over here. So they live near to Japan? Maybe? Okay, we're gonna check. And China has the world's largest economy. The world's largest economy. Sayaka? True? Okay? Maybe true, maybe false. All of these we're gonna check by looking at the reading text. Please look at the reading text. Next page. Okay? Page, what's that? Page 6, I think. So please read and find true or false. Check those answers. Okay? Do you have the reading page? No? So maybe you can move the tables together because you can read together, okay? Maybe move it like this. Share. Okay. Who else doesn't have the book? Yeah, you can read the tables like this if you want. Or you can sit here because only one's right. find the answer, number one? In here? What is it? False. Okay. Good. Checking these ones. Check this in here. Okay. Finished? These ones. Okay, yeah, just checking. Finished this one and this one. This one and this one finished. Oh, very quick. You guys finished already? Okay, 1 more minute, then we'll check. If you put false, don't forget false, you have to say why. False because something, okay? False because what? Okay, 1 more minute. Please write the reason. False because. Yeah, don't forget to put the because. Why is it false? Yeah, please say why. Okay, shall we check? Ready? All right, so let's go through the list again. Number 1, the United States is much larger than China. True or false, true or false, true or false? Karin?
Yes, false.
Yes, false. Okay, false because
Same size.
it's about the same size. Yeah, good. Thank you very much. Number 2, most Chinese people are Muslim. Mina, true or false? Are you sure? False? Yeah, it's false. Why is number 2 false? Most Chinese people are Muslim. No. Because? Tomoka? Because? Right, let's go to the text. Yeah, it says here around 25 million Muslims. Han, Chinese, Buddhism, Taoism, Confucianism. Muslim is only a small part. Good. Thank you very much. What number was that? Number 2. Number 3. Northern China is usually hot. Yuki, this Yuki? Northern China is usually hot. True or false? True. Where does it say? Northern China. So this one says northeastern China gets extremely cold and they have snow festival. So you know in Sapporo, they have Sapporo Snow Festival? Sapporo Snow Festival? Yeah, so they have the same in northeast China, Harbin Snow Festival. So northeast China is very, very cold, same as Hokkaido. Okay? What are we on? Number 4. There are loads of active volcanoes in China. Taisei? Number 4. True or false? True or false? False. Correct. Very good, very good. Number 4, false. There are not lots of active volcanoes in China. Number 5. There are no earthquakes in China. How about say? Number 5, true or false? False. There are no earthquakes in China. False. Yeah, it says here, China has very few active volcanoes, but often suffers from large earthquakes. Good. Chinese people all eat the same food. Let's ask Karen again, because you said 4 kinds. Chinese people all eat the same food, true or false?
False.
Because? Yeah, what you said is correct. So China is so large and there are so many people and different groups, so it's impossible to say what Chinese food is. There's lots and lots of different kinds. Good. Thank you. Number 7. Giant pandas live in the east of China. Daisuke? False. Because? Yeah, small area in central China. Okay, there used to be a lot, now there's not many pandas left. Very small area. And the last one, number 8, China has the world's largest economy. True or false? True or false? Honoka. False, because the world's second largest economy after what is number 1? Does it say what's number 1 or not? I can't see where it is. Anyway, number 1 is the United States, number 2 is China. Okay, second largest. Great. Do you have any questions? Any problems? Please read again at home. You can check difficult words, okay? So we need to do some speaking now. Let's go to this part. Please go to this page with smiley faces. Page 8 maybe. So we're going to mix and ask these questions, but first please write your original question. please write any question about China. Your idea. If you don't have the book, please, you're going to write on paper, okay? Write on notebook paper. Or do you have the old, do you have the last questions from Myanmar? Do you have Myanmar questions? Where is it? This one. Use this paper. Just write right over here. Okay? Good. Okay, let's. Everybody's ready. Let's get pen and book and stand up and mix, big party. Talk to everyone. One question each person. Okay, let's go. Let's stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Stand up, please. Everybody sitting down. Stand up, talk to everybody. You can ask me if you want. Yes, I have. They are delicious. Yes. Can I ask you? Would you like to go to China? Why? You're studying Chinese? Oh, excellent. Excellent. Okay, thank you. Please talk to everybody. Wake up, wake up. Please talk to everybody. Talk to girls. Hello.
Have you seen a panda?
Only in the zoo. Yeah. Not in Tokyo. No, I think I saw a panda in. I don't know. Maybe in Tesla Zoo. Would you like to go to China? Why? Oh, you've been to China already? You study Chinese? Oh, great. Would you like to go to China? Yes? Why?
I'm interested
Okay, thank you very much. Please talk to everyone. Yes, ni hao. Would you like to go to China? Why not? Ah, okay. Okay, thank you very much. Please talk to everyone. Guys, please talk to the girls too.
Can you remember this?
Hello. Yes, I can. 1.4 billion. Well, almost 1.4 billion.
Do you like China?
Would you like to go to China? Why? Okay. Great. Thank you very much. Please talk to everyone. Talk to the boys over there, please. Well, I finished. Wow, very quick. Very quick. Would you like to go to China? Why? See pandas. Okay, good. What time is it? 1:54. All right, thanks. Rumi, finished? Would you like to go to China? Why? Chinese food. Okay, good. Thank you. Everyone finished? Would you like to go to China? Why? Okay, good. Thank you. Mina finished? Okay. Okay, everybody finished? So, time's up. We have to finish the lesson, but next week we're going to watch a Chinese cooking video, how to cook Chinese food, okay? And we'll do some research about flights to China, hotels in China, and some more speaking things, okay? Any questions or any problems before we finish? No, remember we've only got 5 lessons left. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then finished, so not many lessons. Very sad. Okay, please put the tables back into the square, and see you next week. Have a nice weekend.